to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home.
Children are dying every day from hunger and sickness. Innocent children just like this one. These children are facing death right now, but with your support and just 50 cents a day, we can save them. Please go online or call this number and join the U.S. Fund for UNICEF for only $15 a month. It's just 50 cents a day, and you'll deliver emergency medical care, vaccines, and life-saving nutrition to the children who could die without it. It's just 50 cents a day, but it'll mean the difference between life and death for a child waiting for help right now.
Coming for to carry.
Reach out to that child so they never have to look into the face of death again. Go online or pick up the phone now.